have some selected WAEC questions on tissue and supporting system in animals. That is on skeleton, bones. Yes, this one is one WAEC question. I think, okay, I didn't write the year for this one. Okay. Now, what did they say? That's 2008. Question 8, 2008. It says, study the diagram below and use it to answer question 1 and 2. Hello? This bone we are seeing like this, it can either be humerus or what? Or femur. But looking at it now, what it is?
Humerus.
Why do you know it is humerus?
Because
it has no neck, Abi. It only has head without neck. That is what we are seeing here. It has a head, there is no neck. That's why it is humerus, the bone of the upper arm. But what about if it is this one? Come and show me this one. See the camera here. If it is this one is what? Femur. Because look at the round head, it has a what? A neck. Are we there now?
Yes, sir.
Now, and I told you that the gap between here and here is called shank or what? Or shaft. Abi? Yes. Now let's go back. Look at the question they are asking here. We did it this afternoon in the practical class. See the question. Hey. They said to form a ball and socket joint, the structure labeled I, which is this structure like this round head, fit into another structure in the scapula called the dash. Let's go to the skeleton and see what we are talking about. Please come closer here. This is the scapula like this. They are asking you. This is where where is the thing? This thing is fitting inside here. This is the ball head. This is the socket. So this blade now is called what? This is scapula. Are we there now? I told you that this hole inside which this head enters is called glenoid cavity. While this one is what? The hole inside which this one is fit is called what? Acetabulum. So what is the answer? So answer is what? Glenoid cavity. They said to form a ball and socket joint, the structure label I, which is this one, fit into another structure in the scapula. That structure is called the what? Glenoid cavity. Are we together now?
Yes.
Number 2. We are still using this diagram for number 2. Hey, keep quiet. We are still using this diagram for number 2. It said that the structure label II, which is this one, from here to here, this one, is called the what? Shaft. We just did it this afternoon. Then number 3 and 4. The diagram below illustrates a part of mammalian skeleton. Use it to answer question 3 and 4. This is it. Who can tell me where can you find this kind of bone? How did you know? Vertebratal canal. Am I talking to you? Then, and there are 3 sets of bones in the neck. The first one is called atlas, Abi?
Yes.
The second one is called what? Axis. The orthodontoid what? Process. The remaining 3 are what? They are just called cervical vertebra. I'm not talking to you now, they don't have name. Which one do you think this one belongs?
D.
It's not cervical. Why? It has centrum.
Yes.
Atlas does not have centrum. The centrum of axis form a protrusion called odontoid process. And there is something like that here. So this one is just what? It's just a normal cervical vertebra. Okay? So let's check whether we can come to that. Now see what we are saying here. So this one is cervical now. This one cervical. Good. This is what is here now is this. Look at those 2 O's. Look at the 2 O's here. Can you see? Is it captured? The 2 O's are there. This is the centrum. Can you see that now? That is exactly what they have drawn there. It's not like this one. This one is an atlas. No centrum anywhere here. Can you see? No centrum here. So that is that. So now let's go back. So they now say Hey, keep quiet. This hole, what's in the middle? What is the name of this hole? Neural canal. Which is where? Where is it? Where's that bone? Where's that bone I dropped now? Okay, good. Yes, where's your pen? So this is the neural canal. This one. That's neural canal. So this one is what? Neural spine. This is transverse process, centrum, vertebratal canal. So now I told you that the function of the vertebratal canal is for the passage of nerve and blood cells, the blood vessels that pass through the neck. Abi? Hey! Yes, sir. Keep quiet. They say the part of the mammalian skeleton illustrated in the diagram is dash. Is it atlas? No. Is it axis? No. Is it cervical? Yes. So it's not thoracic. Why? It does not have a long neural spine. Are we together? Now let's go to number 4. The function of the part labeled I, that is neural canal, Abi, is to dash provide support for the spinal cord. Is that the answer? No. Okay. Provide surface for attachment of the muscle. Is that the answer?
No. Yes. No.
Carry the spinal cord. Is that the answer?
Yeah. No.
Articulate with adjacent vertebra. Is that the answer?
Yes.
No. Answer is to support. You know, as they arrange on top of each other, that hole continues. That is where the spinal cord is protected. I told you spinal cord is not the bone. Spinal cord is like meat. It's a brain. It's the extension of your brain that does not have a place to stay in the skull. It now enters inside the neural canal and inside the backbone. So it is being protected. So answer is A. It provides us support to the what? Spinal cord. A. Now, number 5. Which of the following parts of the skeleton does not have a protective function? Hey, be careful there. You know, I told you one of the importance of skeleton is that they provide protection. For example, skull protects the brain. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Abi? The rib cage protects the lungs and the heart. Is that not it? Now, so look at the question now. Which of the following parts of the skeleton does not have protective function? Ribs, it protects the heart and the lung. Carpals, what do they protect? This wrist. Do they protect anything? No. Answer is carpal. It never skull because skull protects the brain. Pelvis protects. That's where the womb, of the females are. You understand that now? So that is it. The longest bone of the body. Can you correct the answer? Femur. You have seen it. Now that's the bone of the thigh. Now come and show it here. Come and show it here. See it here, yeah. So this is the femur, the thigh bone, the bone of the upper hind limb. That is the thigh. It's the longest bone. So then the last question here. Which of the following structures is not a skeleton? A skeletal material. It's not a skeletal material. Skeletal material. Chitin. You can find chitin as the exoskeleton of arthropods, like cockroaches, like crabs, like crayfish, like termites, and so on. Cartilage, you know now, your nose, this is elastic cartilage. Yeah, cartilage. In between two vertebrae, you have fibrocartilage, Abi. Then it's on bones. Even for your ribs, let's look at here. These are ribs. These are cartilage. They are connected to cartilage before the cartilage is not joined to what? Breastbone. Are we together now? So we have discussed that before that. There are 3 categories of ribs. Those ones that are attached to the vertebra at the back and attached to the breastbone in front are called what? True ribs. This one is a true rib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that. Then number 8, 9, and 10. They are joined to the vertebra at the back, but they are joined to the number 7 in the front. Those ones are called what? False rib. Then these two, number 1, these are floating ribs. These two now. They are joined to the vertebra at the back, but they are not joined to anything in the front. So this is number 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 11 and number 12. They are the what? The floating ribs. So take note of that. Now, what are we saying here now? So the one that is not a skeletal, cartilage is a skeletal material, bone is a skeletal material, muscle is not a skeletal material. Number 8, the axial skeleton is composed of the what? The skull and the backbone and the rib cage. So what do we have? A skull and vertebral column. B, limbs and girdle. C, atlas and axis. D, radius and ulna. What is supposed to be the answer? What's supposed to be the answer? Thank you. Yes, you can go now. We are through now. Thank you. Come.